2023 Lexus IS350 redesign, specs, price. People want to keep an eye on this car, even if it has been rumored for a long time. This is going to happen soon if we are discussing the future. A V8-powered Lexus IS350 is likely to be unveiled in 2023. Naturally aspirated engines may be making one last appearance. Toyota was concerned about the safety of their automobiles, so they developed this generator to ensure that it worked. Thus, they were able to secure the safety of their automobiles by verifying that they worked. Vehicle that was totally reworked in about 12 or 3 days. It's usually best to keep to the V8 criteria if you are remodeling your home's interior or exterior. Similarly to the F-Coupe and the LC Coupe and convertible, the IS350 may be equipped with a V8 engine. The GSF midsize sedan's engine is clearly visible. The IS350 will fill that vacuum. With so much space for a variety of products. 2023 Lexus IS350 redesign. Although the 2023 Lexus will be based on the current IS350, a number of welcome external aesthetic changes are expected. For starters, the hood is a little bigger than the fender, which makes it more noticeable. A less harsh instrument was used to make fenders in the past. In keeping with the company's other auto vehicle wheels, Enkei's 19-inch 10-spoke alloy wheels have a classic design. Incredibly, the weight of these new automotive tires is really small. It weighs between 1 and 2 pounds each time it rolls, instead of the 350's identical weight wheels. To complement the quad exhaust system and the 2 bundled water range, the lower backbone diffuser has been rebuilt. Below the stainless steel aluminum windowpane is an aluminum steel windowpane and a lip spoiler. To stress the value of the inside, Lexus aimed to downplay the impact of the outward changes. Interior. Inside, the 2023 Lexus IS350 and IS350 will be almost identical. The popularity of a 10.3-inch display screen suggests that it will be available in physical form at a reduced cost in the near future. Android Auto and Apple Incorporated CarPlay are 2 instances of working program operating strategies. IS350 is the name of an animated video advertising a solar-powered scientific know-how product. Only one animation is available for this product. Even more dark-colored F-Sport method badges have been added to the heated natural and natural leather-based components, such as the twisted handles and entryways. In addition, the accelerator, brake, and footrest pedals of the IS are all quite comfortable and practical to use. Engine. 5.8-liter V8 engine that produces 472 horsepower and 395 lb-ft of torque. Energy is delivered to your back, over your rear tires, using an 8-price program with numerous modifications, including the Lexus 4.5-second 0 to 60 mph speed. When it's set up right. Surprise at just 3,891 pounds of more weight than the IS350's V6 engine is a surprise. It's just 143 pounds more. A torsion-reduced spring differential and adjustable factor suspension are included in the Lively Care package. 14 inches in diameter, while those on the rear wheels measure 12.7 inches. 2023 Lexus IS350 release date and cost. The 2023 Lexus IS350's price will continue to fall in 2023 as a result of Lexus' continuing presence in car dealerships. As long as it's for one person, or if it has to be used for a long period of time, the answer is clear. The BMW M3 and Mercedes-AMG C63 are just 2 examples of the high-performance sedans available in this category. However, there's more. Powered by turbocharged engines, these 2 German-designed, wheel-exploring rockets are not the only ones. The C63 features a 4-liter, 2-turbo V8 engine compared to the M3. These engines are available in 473 and 469 horsepower configurations. The cost of building one of these might range from $70,000 to $90,000. The IS350 will provide us with the same amount of useful information as the IS340. An organic and natural manner of generating power for a V8 engine is unique to one of the world's best-known automakers, Lexus. If this is the ideal meeting place for this engine, it will be a massive success.